Hi, Ani. Best wishes in your retirement. I will miss seeing your smiling face in Wallace Hall.
As will I. It was a delight to have you as a part of our faculty. The Tabasha girls in Abbey Newcomb spoke so highly of you. Thank you for all you did to make an impact in Monmouth for all these years.
Best wishes.
You too. Bye.
Cher Annie Moore.
Hello, Annie. I want to say thank you for being such a wonderful colleague and good friend, and I will really, really miss you.
Thank you for being such an amazing professor to me and my sister, and for encouraging us to do our best and continue learning French throughout our college careers.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Merci.
Merci. Au revoir.
I actually am not a French major or minor, but when I first took Madame Moore's French 101 class, I could tell that she is a very warm, welcoming, hardworking, and passionate person, especially with the students and myself. We truly see all the potential things that we could do with the class, and I love going to that class. It became one of my favorite classes of all time. I liked it a little bit more, kind of embarrassing to say, I kind of liked it more than my Spanish classes. But she became a real, true professor, and more than that, a mentor in many ways. I wasn't the best student, especially this semester. I've had a lot of mental health issues, and I haven't been able to figure that out, but Madame Moore always was there, and she's always there for our students. And I cannot thank you enough for being one of the best professors at Monmouth for me, and I hope you do many great things after Monmouth. I don't know if you're still continuing with teaching, but I would love to see you again.
Bonjour, Annie. This is Alex Martin. Congratulations on 10 years at Monmouth College. I wanted to wish you a happy retirement. I will never forget the wonderful conversations we've had over the years. You go above and beyond for your students. I, for one, would never have gone to France if it weren't for you. You believed in me. You gave me the confidence, and I am forever thankful for that. You will be greatly missed by the Monmouth community. Bon courage!
I want to take the time to really congratulate Annie Moore on her retirement. She is one of the best professors that I've ever had. She is so passionate, joyful, full of energy and love. She always made sure that we did our homework. She was always available for office hours. She was always available to help me learn anything that I might have missed in class. And she always had really good and inspirational words to say. She is much more than just a French professor. I feel like she is one of the strongest parts of our Monmouth College community. She really exemplifies what it means to be a passionate professor, to actually be a professor, a part of the MoCo brand. So overall, I just want to say thank you so much for all the time and energy you put into me, Annie Moore. We love you so much.
Bonjour Annie, je voulais te dire merci pour tout. Cela a été un plaisir de travailler avec toi. Hello Annie, I want to say thank you for everything. It was a pleasure to work with you. Ça sera différent l'année prochaine de travailler sans toi. It'll be different next year to work without you. Mais je ne suis pas loin, I'm not very far. Tu peux me rendre visite ou rendre visite aux étudiants. You can visit me, you can visit students. Et donc, j'espère que ce n'est pas adieu, mais au revoir. So I hope that it's not adieu, but simply until next time. Merci beaucoup.
Hi, Annie. We want to send you our heartfelt best wishes.
For your retirement. I'm going to miss you something terrible, and I think you know that. I don't know what else to say, but enjoy the rest of your adventure through life, like I know you always do, and you will always be my friend, and I'm looking forward to our next episode. Love you. Take care.
Keep in touch with us. We're thinking of you. We wish you all the very best from up here in northern Wisconsin at the moment. So take care and look it. Wait a minute.
Oh. Merci, merci, merci. My shirt says it all. Take care.
Take
Bye-bye.
care.
So I studied French for 5 years before I came to Monmouth College, and I hated almost every second of it. I kind of accidentally ended up in a French conversation and cinema course during my second semester at Monmouth, and by the end of that semester I had added a French major, and it was all because of Madame Moore. She is endlessly patient, and she has a really rare ability to meet students exactly where they are at, and to make language learning accessible and comfortable and exciting for students. She has, without hesitation, directed independent studies for me, and even given me individualized additional assignments in order to better challenge me on top of everything else she does. Her French literature classes have made me a better writer, a better and deeper thinker, and a better, more compassionate human. So, merci pour tout, madame. Merci d'avoir partagé votre langue et votre culture avec nous. Je sais que ce n'est pas toujours facile d'être professeur de langue, donc je vous remercie pour votre patience.
Hi Annie, this is Jennifer, and I want to say thank you in representation of all the Modern Languages, Literatures and Cultures Department for your 10 years of service to our beautiful college. Thank you for your dedication to our students, for the dedication you put in every course that you taught in our department, and of course for your friendship. You made me feel very welcome since I came here, and I was lucky to have you as a colleague. Thank you again, and I wish you the best.